today's content, we'll talk about XRP. We'll talk about XRP on a macro scale and what type of price action we could anticipate over the next like a few weeks or even like a few months going into the last, probably the last phase of the bull market and all that good stuff, right? So now, new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join the public Telegram group, link in the description. You can also join the Discord public group, link in the description, right? So now let's go ahead and dive into the analysis regarding XRP USD, right? So when we take a look at XRP USD, you guys know we've been pretty bullish on XRP, after the breakout above the monthly 21 EMA, right? Right there, right before the breakout, actually last year, first week of November, what we said was like, guys, let's pack our bags because we're about to break out. So if you were in our premium or you in our premium, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The move right there, just about like a 26, we were accumulating somewhere around like a 23, 24, just like the way we're accumulating Dogecoin from like a 20 cents to a 25 cents range, right? So as you can see right here, XRP, a big move, gave us a big move from the 25 cents all the way up to like a 74 cents. And Moon Boys started to form more right here. That's when we got what? The XRP, FUD and price action dump right there down to like a 17 cents. What we said back then was like, just accumulate the dips. Don't worry about like the FUD. Most likely we're going to be going back up to like a $2 or close to $2 by Q2, right? As you can see right here, back in April, March, okay? Between March and April, what we said was like, we're going to hit $2, okay? But I don't think like we're going to be breaking out above $2 because $2, it is going to be our hard resistance, meaning like we could not close above it on a monthly basis back in 2017. December 2017, January 2017, price action could not get a clear breakout above $2. So we recognize it pretty early. So we said, let's just suck it up, got to take profits, at $2. And versus BTC, if we break out above like a 3,500 to a 4,000 range, it is likely to be what? It is likely to be a resistance. So now let's take a look at XRP in terms of consolidation. The type of consolidation we got right there back in 2017 started back in May 2017 till basically November, December 2017 is pretty much the same type of consolidation we got right now. Okay, we started the consolidation May, and it is already what? It is already November, December. So what could you expect right now? You got to expect a pretty big move coming up over the next like a few weeks and so on. So if you take a look at the move we got back in December alone, guys, just in December, XRP broke out like from like a 22, 23 cents all the way up just in December, guys, all the way up to like a 278. And in January, that's when we pump all the way up to like a 36, give or take, depending on which exchange you are using and all that good stuff, right? So if we could expect something similar, we don't have to get the breakout in November, right? We could just consolidate above the monthly 21. If you recall, guys, if you've been following Sun Crypto long enough, since like 2019, I told you guys, as long as we're moving below the monthly 21 EMA, we're going to be in a bear market. Once we get the breakout above the monthly 21, every dip, okay, every dip got to get bought up. Don't let it dump below the monthly 21 because it's not going to stay there too long, guys. We talk about this price action 24 months, okay, ahead of time, guys. That's when we basically, started to accumulate XRP below the monthly 21. We said, guys, it is clear. Above the monthly 21, we will get the breakout. So right now, we above the monthly 21. We consolidated for like a 200 days, right there. It's like 214 days. If you take a look at it right here, similar move, 214 days. So what can we expect? We could at least within the next like a few weeks or few months, we could expect a similar breakout, a 1,500 to a 1,600% breakout, right? So let's say, we're going to get the breakout in December, right? So let's say we open the price action just about like a $1.50, right? Before December, we could get our 1,500% move within the next like a few weeks following the price opening above like a 150 or so on, right? Even if you want to be very conservative, right, we could just say, hey, we're just going to take it from our November open, right? Just about like a 106. So if we're going to expect like a 1,500, 1,600% move, we could get at least our $16 XRP. So it doesn't matter what type of analysis we're going to we looking at or we going to be expecting over the next like a few weeks. All these targets, okay, all these analyses are calling for one number, okay, $16. $16. Could it go higher? Absolutely. But I said it previously. Let's not be, okay, let's not be too bullish above $16. And I'm going to make another analysis regarding why, we should, okay, once again, not be too bullish above $16. Because you just don't want to be holding XRP. Once again, like for instance, you did not buy it like at right around like a 20 cents, 18 cents back then, right? And you started buying around like a $2.50, $3 right there. You're going to be waiting like for another like a 3 to 4 years, okay, before XRP to break out above like all-time high. I'm not saying it will, but it is something like to just keep in mind. So you won't be FOMOing above like a $15, $16, $17. Yes, it can go all the way up to $30, right? But just be cautious going forward, right? And I think that's all I wanted to cover for XRP. I'm just going to keep it short and sweet before the breakout within the next like a few months and so on, right? Few weeks actually, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.